Hey everyone, it's Jake here. Today I want to talk about how you can use your favorite Windows apps with the iPad. So even though in the last couple of years the iPad has gotten a lot of great apps like Procreate and even a full version of Photoshop, I find myself gravitating towards the Windows versions of those apps just because of the speed of workflow I get from them and how much faster a PC is than an iPad. So the solution to this is the best of both worlds with an app called Easy Canvas. It lets you use your iPad and Apple Pencil as a drawing tablet, much like a Wacom tablet, while you can keep the speed and power of your PC. So I'm going to go through the install process of this app, as well as a few workflow tips I have along the way. All right, let's jump into it.
All right, to get started, you're going to need a Windows PC, a cute little doggo, of course. I mean, just look at his little face. A high-quality USB-C cable, and of course, an iPad with Apple Pencil support. We're going to start by downloading Easy Canvas from the site linked in the description below, and installing it on both your Windows PC and your iPad. Next up, start up the app on Windows. Plug the cable from your PC into your iPad. Open the app up on your iPad, and you should see a notification on Windows saying it's now connected. And congrats, you did it. You get a gold star. Now, jumping over to the Easy Canvas app on the iPad, we're going to use the bottom left arrow button to set up the screen on your iPad. And you can also expand this out to see what all of these shortcuts actually mean. You can also customize these shortcuts to fit whatever tool you need. I personally like the defaults of undo and redo, and that's about it. You also have the ability to change the pen pressure if you like to set a curve on it if it doesn't feel right to you. And finally, you can switch the bar from the left side to the right side if that's a better fit for you. So over on my PC, I like to keep my references on the left and then mirroring the right side to my iPad. And if you're using Blender, there's a handy setting called Emulate the Middle Mouse button, which lets you use the Alt key to emulate the middle mouse, which, as you can see here, I can use my Apple Pencil plus the Alt key to emulate the middle mouse, and I can get the nice tactile feel of using my keyboard instead of having to tap on-screen buttons. I find this workflow much nicer because I've already built the memory of all the keyboard shortcuts, and it lets me, again, have like a tactile feel to it instead of trying to find a button on a screen that doesn't have any feedback. And that just about wraps it up for today. Just a super quick tip video. If there's anything I can help out with or anything I could clarify, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm a new channel just starting out, so every new subscriber helps. And comment what you want to see in later videos. All right, have a good one.